welcome to Renari's channel, and in today's video I will show you how to make a flat circle. Alright, let's get to it. You need yarn and your hook. Today I'm using a 4.25mm hook, and since I am going to use this as a coaster, I am using a 100% cotton from I Love This Yarn brand. I kind of lost the label. So to start, we need our yarn and our hook, and we will make a magic ring. Okay. And that loop right there will count as our chain 1, and we will chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and we will do a 11 double crochet into the ring. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus our 3 chains. So we can go ahead and close that ring, pull that tail, and we will slip stitch to the top of chain 3. So our chain will count as our first double crochet. So we'll have a total of 12 double crochets. Right. And we will count this as a stitch. And we chain 2. And we will do 2 double crochets on each stitch for this round. And we will put 1 double crochet into that joining stitch, and we will slip stitch to the top of our first double crochet, and we should have a total of 24 stitches. Alright, for round 3, this round we just really gotta pay attention where to put our increases, so that way we can stagger it throughout the round and we will make a flat circle. So to start round 3, we will chain 2, and this chain 2 will count as a last double crochet. So we just pretend that this is not here. So for the first stitch, we are going to do 1 double crochet, and we'll do 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and that is your repeat for this round. So 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Okay. Repeat that all the way around, and I will meet you at the end of a round. Alright, I am at the end of my round, and I have a slip stitch here left, and I am going to make a 1 double crochet into that stitch. And remember, this chain 2 at the beginning of the round, we will count this as our last double crochet. So this will be part of this double crochet into this stitch. So we're gonna go do a slip stitch to the top of the very first double crochet with it. And that completes round 3. And at this point, we should have a total of 36 stitches going around, or depending on how many stitches you started with, but for this one I have 36. And to start round 4, 1, 2, 3, and we chain 2, and we will put 1 double crochet into that stitch, and again we will count this as a last double crochet. So just pretend this chain 2 is not there at the moment, and then we will put 1 more double crochet into the next stitch, and we will put, you'll see this this 2 double crochet coming off of this 1 stitch. This is where we're gonna increase, so we will put 2 double crochet into that stitch, 1, 2, and we will repeat that, repeat again, 1 double crochet next 2 stitches, and 2 double crochet into the third stitch. That's 1 there. Another 1 double crochet there. Sorry, I'm grabbing more yarn. Alright. And now we see here it's coming off of that 1 stitch again. We have 2 double crochet here, and it's increased on this next stitch. So we'll put 2 double crochet into that stitch. And that is why it is important for round 3 to have that repeat right, so that way you'll stagger your increase right and you'll have a flat circle every time. Alright, go ahead and finish your round here. I'm gonna go ahead and finish mine. So just make sure you stagger your increase. So right here I have 2 coming off of this stitch, so I'm gonna put 2 double crochet in there, and then I'm gonna put 1 into the next. Okay, and then I'm gonna put 1 in the next stitch, and again there's 2 coming off of that stitch down here, so I'll put 2 double crochet into that stitch. And that is how I make my flat circle. And go ahead and do that all the way around. I will meet you when we close the round. Alright, I am back and I'm at the end of my round. And as you can see, I have the join stitch left from the previous round. And we are going to put 1 double crochet into that stitch. And we will slip stitch to, well actually I'm going to pass it off here since I'm going to use this for my coaster. I have about 4-inch coaster here. If you want to keep going with your circle, you'll just slip stitch to the first double crochet and you'll chain 2 and you'll pretend that this is not here right now, and you'll just follow along the pattern from the previous pattern. So you'll do 1 double crochet on top of this stitch, 1 double crochet on top of this stitch, 1 double crochet on top of this stitch, and you'll see here from the previous round we have 2 double crochet coming off of this stitch, so we will need to put 2 double crochet into this stitch. So it's gonna be between the double crochet into one stitch, if you could see it. See here, this is from round 2. No, round 2 won't make sense to show you, but this is one from round 3. So my double crochets into one stitch are all lined up, as you can see. Right here, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 2 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 2 double crochets. So I'm actually gonna cut my yarn here and pass it off. And if you want it to keep going, you can, but since I'm using this for my coaster, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off and weave in my ends. And this technique also work with a let me show you. with a half double crochets. So I did a 7 half magic ring, chain 2, 7 half double crochet to start, and my chain 2 at the beginning counts as my very first half double crochet. And as you can see, you'll see it better here, my increases are lined up, and there we go. And this will give me a flat circle each time. So it doesn't matter if you do a half double or a double, just repeat that little trick and you'll end up with a flat circle. And it doesn't matter how many you put into that ring, just be consistent and increase by that number. Like if you choose 12 at the beginning, you'll double up by putting 2 on each of the stitch, and then on the third one you'll double up 12 again, so you'll end up with 36, and then 48 for your fourth round. Same goes for half double crochets. It doesn't matter how many half double crochet you start with, just be consistent. And if you chain 2 and then do 7 half double crochets, that means you'll increase that row by 7. So be consistent on your increases, so that way you won't stagger your increases in the wrong spot. It won't be a circle if you stagger them at the wrong spot. So I think that's it for this video. I know it's weird not showing you a finished project at the end. Well, I just really want to show you this little trick that I do with my flat coaster that I do. And I know this method works with double crochet and half double crochet. I don't know if it works with single crochet. Let me know in the comment down below if it doesn't, or if it does, or we'll figure out a way to make a flat one if it doesn't work with this trick. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.